Now I'd like you to turn to page 25 in your notes, and I want everyone to try checkpoint A and checkpoint B. When you're done, well, actually stop the tape now, and when you're done, turn the video back on to check your answer. So, checkpoint A gives you the point 3, -1, 2, -4. I'm supposed to write the equation in standard form that goes through these 2 points. Okay, so first I find the slope. The slope equals -4 plus 1 over 2 minus 3. So the slope equals -3 over -1, which is 3. Now, I'm going to go into point slope form. So I'm going to cross out one point and use this point. So y plus 1 minus -1 equals 3 times x minus 3. Now this is the point slope form, but they did not ask for point slope form, they asked for standard form. So I have to change this into standard form. First I'm going to distribute, then I'm going to get my x and my y on one side and my constants on the other side. Now this is not standard form because a is negative. So I multiply everything by -1, which changes the sign of every term, and that is my answer. 3x minus y equals 10. Now I'm going to do B. And B gives us -2, 4, -2, 7. So I'm going to find the slope, 7 minus 4 over -2 plus 2, and that equals 3 over 0, which is undefined. So this is a special case. Now, undefined means it's a VUX, which means my equation is going to be x equals something. Well, now, where am I going to get x values? And I look at my points, and what do I notice? That this x value is the same as this x value, which means my equation is simply x equals -2. Now, this is the point slope form. This is the slope intercept form, and this is standard form. When you are a special case, you have one form, regardless of what I ask for. The answer is always x equals a constant or y equals a constant. So now, I want everyone, now that I've done this one, to try checkpoint A and B at the bottom of the page. 2 special cases. Stop the video now and turn it back on when you're ready to check your answer. Okay, so I'm going to do page 25, checkpoint A. They tell me m equals 0 and the point is 1, 2. Okay, so that means this is a special case. This is a HOI. How do I know it's a HOI? Because it has a 0 slope. I know my equation is going to be y equals blank. I need to find a y value. What's the only y value I have? Y equals 2. So A is y equals 2. Now for B, I'm told m is undefined, and the point I go through is -3, 4. Well, if it's an undefined slope, it's a VUX. That means x equals something. The only x value I have is -3. So this answer is x equals -3. Again, this is the correct answer whether they ask for standard form, slope intercept form, or point slope form.